Okay, we're now ready to start creating our first family. Here I have opened Revit and am in the Home screen. To create a new family, on the left menu I simply select Families and New. This will bring up a Load dialog box where I am prompted to select the template file. Depending on the settings and the location of your Revit, you may have different family templates. I'm going to select the English folder. I can then see that in this folder are a large number of different family templates or .rft files. Depending on the type of family you want to create, you should select the most appropriate family template. For example, if I select metric door, it will create a wall-hosted door family with the correct Revit category. There are also numerous different host-based family templates to allow you to host the family to a specific element. As part of this course, we'll be creating a simple dining table family, so I can select the metric furniture template, as this will be a piece of furniture. Once I have selected the template, I can select Open, and this will now open the Revit Family Editor. On the left, I have the properties, which gives me the available properties currently to do with the family, but if I were to select on elements within the family, such as this reference plane, I can see properties associated to the reference plane. On the right, I have the project browser. Similar to that which is present in the Revit project environment, this shows me the available views, any additional families that are loaded into this family, and also groups. On the top I have the ribbon, which has a reduced number of tabs and tools that we will gradually explore throughout the length of this course. Now that we're familiar with the Family Editor interface, let's start to create our dining table family.